guys, it's Kristen with APO Creations, and I am going to start making a mystery project. So I have a little bit of resin left over from what I was just working on, and now I am going to use some Let's Resin Brass Metallic Alcohol ink. Give it a good couple of squirts. And this comes in their 24 color metallic alcohol ink set. And I'm just trying to use up the resin I bought a while ago from Amazon. It's an off name brand. Duo, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just trying to use it up so I can open my craft resin that I also got off of Amazon. So I decided I really didn't care for that color. It's, I don't know. So I added some of the Istoyo Sunlight Gold. So hopefully this will make it brighter. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So I'm just going to squirt each of those. I don't know that I'm going to get all four of the handles in here, but I am sure going to try. I'm going to try and dome them just a tad. See if I can dribble some of this in here. Okay, that should level itself out. And I did run this through my bubble removing machine from Let's Resin. So hopefully I won't have any bubbles in here. But honestly, even if I do, you're not really going to see them with the pigment that I added in. Whoop. Okay, so I have just a little bit more. And I think that I am going to put it in my homemade geode mold that I made. And this is one of them, and then this is the other one that I made. I figured, well, you know, if I do a geode again, right? Okay, I have a smidge left. I'll put it in something. All right, I'll see you guys when it's time to demold this. Okay, so I totally forgot to press record when I poured that. I used my Apex deep pour. For this one, it's not really as big, so I'm just using regular resin for it. But, oh, actually, you know what? Let me. I just don't want any bubbles. And then for this is the globe part of it. Excuse me, I'm gonna use my Apex deep pour again. Just gotta find something for that. So I'll be back when I get ready to pour that. Okay, so I mixed up some of my deep pour. And I added to it some gold opal from Feather Bear Bling. Ugh, I am just short. All right, well, I'm gonna mix up a little bit more. And because right now it's right down to the bottom of this lip, but I don't know if that lip is required for it to fit properly with these. So I got nothing. So I'm just gonna mix up a little bit more. Okay guys, all of this is cured now. So I'm gonna start with the bottom piece. Oh, it's such a pretty color. Oh, nice. Not a bubble. I love it. Okay, and then this is the top piece that this globe sits on. Ah! And I want to cut myself. Ugh. Ooh, very nice. And I love the way that the gold went in there. Beautiful. And then honestly, I had 2 sets of these. I have no idea which one is which. So we are going to demold them both. And then we'll figure out which one fits and which one doesn't. And this I'm gonna have to sand down. I don't know why they make it like that. Like, that ridge shouldn't even be there. And next time, if I do this again, I will remember not to fill it up all the way. Lord, Lord, Lord. Anywho, all right, let me get these ones out. And they're gonna be the same, just a little bit longer. So, yeah. Okay. Now, okay, hang on. Oh, I'm gonna cut myself. Urgh. Oh God, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh, I tell you guys what, I absolutely love. All right, I have no idea how this goes on here or if I used even the right one, because I have 2 of these and I don't know. So maybe that glues on there and then that glues on there. Okay, it's not the big ones. It's these ones. Voila. Okay, so I'll be right back. I have to get some glue and pull this out of the package. Okay, so because I'm using Green Stuff World instant glue, I put on gloves. So the first thing I'm gonna do is glue this down into that channel. All right, now okay, so it is all put together. So let me turn it on and show you. So that's all the glitter, but there is not one bubble in this resin. I did get a fingerprint on there because I had some glue on my finger and I grabbed it because it was falling off. My bad. Anywho, I'm gonna put this in my living room as a little night-night. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, give me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys for the next one. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.